Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the next component from this easy assembly, and it will be this pulley. Let's take a look at the drawing. Here is the drawing, here is the pulley. Since we don't have any dimension for the thickness of this cylinder in the center, we're gonna assume that it's the same, 25. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's start this. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select your part, press here OK. And now let's make this plane white, and let's start with a sketch in the top plane. So select top plane, open a sketch, and here let's select circle and let's make 2 of them. And with smart dimension, let's define them. This one will have 92 millimeters. And this one will have 25. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here we'll keep mid plane, and the thickness will be 25. Why is it important to be here mid plane? Because we're gonna make a cut on this face and we'll have to mirror it on the other face. So make sure it's mid plane. Press OK. Now let's open a sketch on this face, and here we're gonna make 2 circles again. One like this and one like this, and now it's smart dimension, let's define them. First, this one will have 80 millimeters. And this one will have 38. And now go to features and use Extruded Cut. And here we're gonna keep blind, and the depth for this cut will be 19 divided by 2. And now press OK. And as we can see, we have to mirror this cut on this other side. That's why I said to keep here mid plane. Now go to linear pattern, select from here mirror. Mirror face plane is going to be top plane, which is in the middle of this part. Features to mirror will be this cut extruded. And press here OK. And this is how it's going to look. Now we have another dimension on the drawing, which is 6 millimeters for this part inside here. So let's check that out. Go to evaluate, go to measure, select this face and this one, and we can see here it's 6 millimeters. Alright, now let's apply some material to this. So go to material, right click, edit material. We're gonna go ahead with this one, apply and close. And now don't forget to save this one. And this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.